Hi, my name is Izzuddin Aiman ID matrix TH22023. So my part is introduction. So basically refineries generate large volumes of wastewater containing hydrocarbons, heavy metals and organic pollutants. Next, these pollutants pose serious risk to environmental and community health. Next, traditional treatment methods often fail to meet discharge standards, especially for TSS and COD. Next, sludge generated is hazardous and expensive to manage, which is adding operational burden. Next, for process in refinery wastewater treatment, there are 3 to 4 stage, which is the first stage is pre-treatment. So the methods are screening methods, grid chambers, and API oil water separators. The objective of these methods are to remove large solids, oil and grit, and the remove pollutants are large debris, sand and grit, and free oil and grease. Next, the primary stage, the methods are sedimentation tanks and chemical coagulation and flocculation. The objective is to settle out suspended solids and floating oils. So the removed pollutants, heavy metals and high level concentrations of organic. Next, total suspended solids, TSS, and the last one is emulsified oils. So the next stage is the secondary stage, which is the methods use. The first one is activated sludge process. Next, trickling filters. Next, sequencing batch reactors, SPR. And the last one is the moving bed biofilm reactors, MBBR. So the objective of these methods are biodegrade the organic matter and nutrients. So the removed pollutants are biochemical oxygen, biochemical oxygen demand, BOD. Next are chemical oxygen demand, COD, ammonia, and the last one is nitrogen compounds. For the tertiary stage, the methods used are sand filtration, activated carbon absorption, membrane filtration, which is include ultrafiltration and reverse osmosis. And the last one method is advanced oxidation processes, AOPs. So the objective of these methods are polish effluent to meet discharge standard. So the removed pollutants are residual organic compounds, color, dissolved solids, and pathogens. That's all from my part. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Noah Shafiq bin Noor Ismail and my matrix number is TH22075. Okay, today we are going to talk about the challenges in refinery wastewater treatment. So the first challenges that they face is the contaminant found inside refinery wastewater treatment. So basically, what do they found inside refinery? So as we know, some of the contaminant, they contains a mixture that includes organic material, organic chemical, hazardous heavy metal, and also hydrocarbon. So what seems to be the challenge between these this containment. So okay, firstly, this containment they need separate steps to remove it, and somehow they can even become complex. And also, what we don't want to hear is that it's quite costly to remove each or one of it. Let's say inside refinery there's three containment, so it means that there is going to be three types of techniques will do to remove it, and eventually it will cost more to the company. Okay, as for the second challenges that they face is regarding on biological treatment. So generally, as we know, biological treatment is one of the method that they use in wastewater treatment. However, this could become a challenge if the chemical that they insert affects the TDS level, and also affect the TDS. So what do we mean by TDS? Okay, so some refinery, as we know, some refinery, they contain high level of TDS, which can be harmful to this microorganism that they use in biological treatment. As we know from the name biological, it means that they use microorganism to treat this water. So as we know, high level TDS can be harmful to the microorganism, and as we know, most biological treatment they work effectively at mesophilic temperature. However, in some refineries, the temperature may exceed the optimal microbial range, and this somehow can affect the microorganism and also the efficiency of biological treatment. Then last but not least, another challenge is sludge management. So as we know, sludge can be a challenge due to the hazardous composition that they found inside sludge. And as we know, sludge usually they consist of water, solid, and also oil. But there are also plenty of toxic, mutagenic, and also carcinogenic component. And these are, how to say, it's harmful and toxicity that contain in sludge, and this might harm the treatment process. So to remove sludge, it requires special handling. I mean, it requires special techniques to remove sludge, and also to stand that there's in certain country there is a disposal procedure, which it means that they can't really dispose the sludge completely. They can remove the sludge, but however they need to follow the standardized regulation that the country had given them. And also, as we know, the treatment for sludge is very, very high, which can range from 20% to 60% of the total operation cost of wastewater treatment, which means it costs a lot of money for removal of sludge. And also, from this we can know that sludge can be a challenge because it plays with the economical. So if it thinks that is costly, then it somehow can be a challenge for certain company, for certain small company, rural companies. I guess that's from me. Thank you.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Daniel Hakim Zulkifli and my ID is TH22022. So today I'm going to present about technology improvement for refinery wastewater treatment. Okay, first technology is membrane filtration. It consists RO and NF. RO stand for reverse osmosis, and for NF stand for nanofiltration. So this technology efficiently eliminates contaminant like oil, heavy metal, and organic substance. And this system can help to ensure that wastewater compliance and promote water recycling. So second is advanced oxidation process (AOP). So this technology, like ozone treatment and UV irradiation, and this efficient in degrading complex organic pollutant such as aromatic, hydrocarbon, and phenol. So for third one, zero liquid discharge. So this technology system recover nearly all wastewater, and it can minimize liquid discharge and enhance sustainability while complying with strict environmental regulation. So for last, sludge to energy for waste minimization and renewable energy. This method, such as anaerobic digestion and sludge to energy process, it convert organic sludge into biogas, which serve as a potential source of renewable energy. So for the conclusion, refinery wastewater treatment is complex and costly due to pollutant variety and sludge management. So to address these challenges, advanced technologies like membrane filtration, AOP, advanced oxidation process, ZLD, zero liquid discharge, and sludge to energy offer sustainable solution. And this technology help refinery meet discharge limit, reduce cost, and improve environmental sustainability. Thank you. That's all from us.